technique is something that you develop, or it's something that you learn because you were also doing some trainings in Brazil or in Japan? Is it something that you put together, this combination of factors, or it's something that you learn from other surgeons?
No, it's just a technique I developed the concept because 10 years ago, I was doing a lot of microsurgery in public hospital. I was working always on microscope with a very small instrument. I was always doing that. So I was trained to do small surgeries. So I use all the techniques of microsurgery for my procedures in plastic and cosmetic surgery. So I develop year by year this concept.
No, that's great, and I'm sure that the patients will be super satisfied with this minimal invasive procedure.